going green every day. Do you want to help save the earth? You can, and it doesn't have to be a struggle. Doing little things every day can really help. Do you recycle? Recycling helps save Earth's resources. Setting aside paper takes only a few moments, but it can save many trees. Many bottles and cans are returnable for money. You can get 5 cents or more when you return them to the store. Check the label of these containers to find their return value. One recycled paper bottles and cans can be used again. Do you reuse items you already have? Can you bring your lunch in a paper bag? Every bag you use a second time doesn't cost you an extra penny. Now that's a bargain. Think of other items that you can reuse. Tell your family members about them. Listen to them gasp and your ideas. Did you know that you can clean most of the things in your house with water, vinegar, and baking soda? Many people are sensitive to chemical cleaners. These products can cause allergies or skin problems. Baking soda and vinegar are not harmful, yet they can clean sinks, floors, and other big surfaces. These simple natural cleaners cost less too. Water is a natural resource. When you brush your teeth, don't wander away and leave the water running. Turn it off. Reduce the amount of water you use. You will save 2 gallons or more. You can also reduce the amount of electricity you use by turning off the lights when you leave a room. Be loyal to your local farmers markets. Many fruits and vegetables are grown far away. They travel on ships and trucks to get to where you live. Farmers who sell their goods and the local farmers markets don't have to travel as far to bring you your food. Buying from them saves a lot of gas and oil. Cleaning up your town on Earth Day is a good way to become active in your community. Most towns clear litter from parks, roads, and the banks of rivers on Earth Day. Next April, see what you can do to help. Going green is as easy as taking a walk and enjoying the outdoors. Vary your walks to see something new each time. Watch a small animal and see where it goes. Nature is a never-ending show, and watching it requires no electricity.